We're really designing the aircraft to be maintainable by the crew itself and to be in a situation where they know what tools they need to bring forward. Had a friend that's on the team here when he sent videos of the first run-ups of the V280, and you think, man, there's only so many opportunities to get engaged and get involved on a truly new aircraft build. So that was exciting, to be able to get involved with something that you care about, and then realize that you're helping America's sons and daughters. We've got a team of folks that are proud to work on it. Got in 1990, went to flight school, went to Germany, started flying Hueys, 1990, a platoon leader job there, intelligence officer, a few different things. Came back, Black Hawk transition. I ended up with operations officer job, and then went company command, was as far as I got, as far as on the flight lines, and then went to test and experimentation command, and then got out, did avionics for about 17 years before getting here to Bell. That's probably job number one, is influence and design at the moment. We really look to take care of all the care and feeding of these aircraft as they enter the fleet. We're excited because we're getting involved early, so we're able to get the maintainer's influence in from the start. As new designs, ideas come up, we get to chime in and say, could you do it a little bit different? We're excited to get a chance to make it better from the start. This aircraft can't be a unicorn on the battlefield. It sounds like kind of a weird statement, but it really means we can't be that different. We're going to fly right next to existing aircraft in the enduring fleet. So when somebody walks across the flight line from another unit that's equipped differently and gets equipped into a V280 battalion effort or squadron effort, everything should flow roughly the same. And so tools, same way, we'd want to minimize that bill for the Army. And so, things we did, we removed the heaviest component, it'd be in the prop rotor gearbox. We did that with the existing Army crane, for instance. The other thing we did is we walked through all the tools that you might consider special tools, all the way down to screwdriver links. So there's a standard crew chief box that the Army's done to make it the same no matter which aircraft type. We went through every tool that was used, so we know that we could remove the prop rotor gearbox without any special tooling. And you think about difficult things to do on the aircraft, that's one of the more difficult items. And we also get into left-hand, right-hand compatibility too. Straight wing helps us to have right-left commonality involved. Same with drive shafts inside and that sort of stuff. Limits the number of special things you need to put in a stockpile somewhere. It's just a different paradigm. That starts with the aircraft itself, purpose-built from a product support standpoint. If you look at what's expensive, certainly rotors are expensive, drives are expensive, and that sort of stuff. If you can have something, first of all, that's more durable, doesn't have to come back as often for maintenance, and then certainly minimize those items, makes a heck of a lot of sense in terms of what it feels like to operate that vehicle in the field. The twice as far, twice as fast aspect is part of it as well. It's built for the mission.